Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a business partnership letter. This document is used to propose and establish a professional collaboration between two businesses. You will begin your business partnership letter by including your details at the top, such as your name, business name, address, contact information, and the date. Below that, you will add the recipient's details, including their name, business name, and address. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of the letter, such as proposal for business partnership. Finally, you will address the recipient formally with "Dear recipient's name" to set a professional tone for your message. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to express my interest in forming a strategic business partnership between your business name and recipient's business name. Given our shared vision and expertise in mention industry or field, I believe that a collaboration between our companies would result in mutual growth and success. Through this partnership, we aim to briefly mention key objectives, such as expanding market reach, improving product offerings, or leveraging resources. We would love the opportunity to discuss this collaboration in more detail and explore how our businesses can work together effectively. Please let us know a convenient time for a meeting to go over the specifics. I look forward to your positive response and the prospect of a successful partnership. Sincerely, your name, your business name." Here's our sample business partnership letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents the purpose of the partnership, the potential benefits for both businesses, and key collaboration details. The letter also establishes a professional tone, ensuring clarity and mutual understanding between both parties. By following this format step by step, you can craft a compelling proposal that effectively communicates your business objectives and interests. This letter serves as a foundation for building strong professional relationships. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on drafting business letters.